Hello everyone, welcome to my channel FP Queen Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. Today we came up with a special video of front grade design. We brought 100 plus latest front grade ideas to make you easy to select your front gate. The first impression is something that will last in people's minds forever. Picture a grand house that can be seen from a distance with the beautiful ornamentations on the facade and lush landscaping. Now, as you approach the house, you see an outdated main gate design ruin the whole value of the house, right? The main gate designs plays a very important role in enhancing the curb appeal of the house. After investing your money in your dream house, you wouldn't want it to leave a bad mark. Front gate design can elevate the aesthetic of the house. A see-through main gate design is the perfect choice to flaunt your lawn landscaping and offer a screen insight into your property. Apart from the security and practical reasons, front gate designs for houses also complement the site surrounding and convey an idea about the owner's personality and choice. To serve you with inspirational ideas, here are the most beautiful front gate design for your project. The best quality main gate design will serve you with safety and sprinkling a touch of creativity on the entrance gate design can offer you functionally with beauty. Let's talk at least some attractive modern main gates design to offer you the best solution that fits your home. Number 1. Lasting impression with steel main gate. Is your ultimate goal to form a lasting impression on your guest? Try black and silver steel main gate design with horizontal lines. The design is a composition of simplicity and uniqueness. Opposition for a double open swing design if you want to let in a large vehicle inside the property. Number 2. Modern and sleek. Gray front gate design. Gray can be perceived as an extremely modern color, and when added to the main gate design, it speaks the language of a sleek and trendy design. The steel front gate design with well-defined vertical lines offer a peek inside the beautiful property and at the same time ensure high security. Number 3. The contemporary iron gate design. Can you play around with atypical patterns in gate design for home? Well, why not? Don't stay confined to the typical vertical or horizontal panels. Take a more contemporary approach with iron mesh. It offers a screen view and doesn't compromise the safety of your property. For those with front yards, this is the best main gate design to flowing the vibrant garden. Your main gate design can either make or break the whole appearance for your home. It offers you an opportunity to explore a various pattern, materials and design. Your gate design for home is an opening to your premium property. Choose the typology and design that suit you, needs the best and goes well with the design language of your house. A modern main gate design can help you stand out in the locality and make a statement with its functionality and elegant aesthetics. To know more home improvement ideas, cleaning and decoration tips, must check out our channel. Besides providing access in or out of a home, gates also offer numerous benefits listed below. Safekeeping. With the rising number of thefts in the neighborhood, you simply cannot take chances with the safety of your family. Having a proper gate can lower the chance of break-ins and crimes. Marks your property. A fancy gate marks the start point of your territory and prevents strangers and animals from straying into your place. Privacy. You need not compromise on the private time with your family if you have an external gate installed. Keeping